Hey guys, and welcome back to video number 2 of the SolidWorks Basic Material Series. In this video, we are going to be designing a sliding socket. This is what it looks like. There's a socket here on the top, and there are two grooves on the side right here. I imagine they call it a sliding socket because this component slides within a railing, okay? And there's a socket on top, so therefore a sliding socket. Okay, so let's begin designing the component. Start with new, part, okay. Background, the background set to plain white. And again, make sure that you're dealing with the millimeters, grams, and seconds system, okay? Okay, so to make things easier, let's copy this into SolidWorks. Okay, here it is. Okay, so to design this, I think the best way to do that would be to draw the profile of this face right here, okay, and then extrude. So we create the overall or the outer body, and then we proceed to proceed with the pocket on the top right here, the socket. Okay, so let's select right plane, sketch, put this to the side. Okay, so select rectangle, center rectangle. Select this point like this. Okay. Select smart dimension. The length of this edge to the top right here would be 76 millimeters. The side right here would be 51. Okay. Now, again, we have these openings to the sides right here, okay? So we select corner rectangle and sort of create the grooves right here, okay? Okay, so select smart dimension again. The distance between this point, or this edge, and this edge is 13 millimeters. And the distance, again, between this edge and this edge will be 13. Okay, automatically, this will be 25. The thickness of this rectangle is 13. Okay, now let's create a center line in the middle right here. And let's go ahead and mirror the rectangle. And mirror about this center line right here. And we select OK. Okay, now we have a mirror of this rectangle on the other side. Okay, so now we go to extrude boss base. We select midplane, and we select this geometry right here. Okay, we extrude this to a depth of 76 millimeters. Select OK. Okay. Okay, so again, look at this. We've got the outer body. Let's put this into perspective. Again. Okay, so now let's proceed with the top face pocket or socket as they call it. Select the face, sketch. Let's select center rectangle. On the center of this face right here, let's draw a rectangle. Assign dimensions. So this is like, just make sure something. Okay. 50 millimeters by 38. Okay. Automatically, the distance between this point and this point would be 19. Okay, it's correct. And then the other side, this edge to this edge would be 13. Everything's perfect. Okay. Let's go to extrude cut. And let's cut this geometry or component to a depth of 25 millimeters. Okay, and select OK. Okay, so yeah, we're done. Let's assign the material, steel, cast carbon steel. Okay, and delete this image. Okay, so that concludes video number 2 of the SolidWorks basic tutorial series. Um, exercise number 2 was simple, in my opinion, but again, we are taking it slow and steady. As we proceed with the exercises, they'll become more harder. But at this point in time, we're just warming up, as they say. Okay, so please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all in video number 3. Bye bye.